Hello friends, welcome to our channel SKM Tutorials Hub. Today I am going to start a new series on C programming. By the end of this series you will have a good knowledge about the C language. So if you are new to our channel then please consider subscribing to our channel and also press the bell icon for getting the latest updates. So at first let's see what is the need for a programming language. What is a language? A language is actually a means of communication. Now humans can communicate with machines through an instruction or a set of instructions. A set of instructions is known as a program, but a machine understands only binary language, that is zeros and ones. So the set of instructions, or rather the programs, has to be written in some language which can be understood by the machine. So there comes the need for a programming language. Next, let's have a look into the brief history of C. In the year 1960, an international group of computer scientists introduced ALGOL, or algorithmic language. In the year 1967, Martin Richards developed a language called BCPL, that is Basic Combined Programming Language, and then Ken Thompson used many of the features of BCPL to create another language known as B. The C language was evolved from ALGOL, BCPL and B by Dennis Ritchie at AT&T's Bell Laboratory in USA in the year 1972. This C language is now known as the traditional C. Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie wrote a book named The C Programming Language in the year 1978. So the language came to be known as KNR-C. Then the committee formed by American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, approved a version of C in the year 1989, which is known as ANSI-C, and in the year 1990 it was approved by the International Standards Organization, or ISO. This version is also referred to as C89. Finally, in the year 1999, the Standardization Committee of C introduced some new features to C to enhance the usefulness of the language. This new version of C is referred to as C99. The C language covers the basic features of all the programming languages. This language has become increasingly popular due to its many desirable characteristics. First of all, C is a very robust language with a rich set of built-in functions and operators, which helps to write any complex program. Next, the C compiler combines the features of an assembly language with the features of a high-level language. This makes it well suited for writing both system software and business packages. Programs written in C are quite efficient and fast due to its variety of data types and powerful operators. The C language is also highly portable. So what does this mean? This actually indicates that the C programs written in one machine can be run on another machine with little or no modifications at all. C language is well suited for structured programming. That is, a C program can be divided into different function modules or blocks, which makes program debugging, testing and maintenance easier. The C language also has the ability to extend itself. The C library supports various functions, and a C program is a collection of these functions. We can always add our own functions to this library. The availability of such large number of functions makes the programming task quite simple. C is a programming language that is both versatile and popular, allowing it to be used in a vast array of applications and technologies. Most of the libraries of today's OS like Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. are written in C. C language is also used in the language compilers of different programming languages like C, C++, Java, C#, etc. Many database softwares like Oracle and MySQL uses the C language. C is also used in different text editors and device drivers. Major parts of web browsers also uses C. The use of embedded systems, robotics and IoT are highly emerging in the recent years, all of which uses C language as a major part. C is also used in various graphics packages. So that's all for the introduction. In the upcoming videos, we will learn more about the C language. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.